Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. Are you ready to accept the fusion of classic sophistication and modern innovation? The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle has been released, eliciting significant discourse. Let us examine the reasons this vintage vehicle is positioned to excel in the automobile business. Let us advance. The frontal appearance of the 2026 Beetle is remarkable. The vehicle features prominent LED headlights, a wide and muscular grille, and a sporty yet refined front bumper, conveying a dominating presence on the road. The iconic Volkswagen logo prominently resides at the center, enhanced by new LED strips that impart a modern style to the Beetle, rendering it identifiable. Upon inspection of the rear, the 2026 Beetle retains its appeal with a dynamic bumper and sleek taillights that augment its modern look. The dual exhaust system and diffuser enhance the vehicle's performance-oriented design. It is a perfect fusion of minimalism and bold design, providing a suitable level of edge. The 2026 Beetle features a turbocharged engine that attains an ideal balance between thrilling performance and superior fuel efficiency. This Beetle ensures an enjoyable and seamless driving experience, whether traversing metropolitan streets or starting on a weekend vacation. The 2026 Beetle boasts an immaculate and modern interior. The extensive digital display seamlessly integrates with the infotainment system, while the opulent leather inside with diamond-stitched detailing conveys a sophisticated yet sporty atmosphere. Moreover, with generous legroom and comfortable seating, it is suitable for both short urban trips and long road journeys. Therefore, it concludes the matter, everyone. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle seeks to redefine the concept of iconicity. This vehicle, characterized by a timeless aesthetic, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, is set to excel on the road. Do you think the Beetle can maintain its legacy? Kindly provide your insights in the comments area below. Thank you for your attention. Kindly remember to like, subscribe, and share for other outstanding automotive content.